Hey guys, it's Ann and welcome back to my channel and to another squishy makeover. So today's squishy makeover is this cute little unicorn cake slice that I got from a kit of 3 DIY squishies from Five Below. The first thing I'm doing is sanding it just to roughen up it so the paint will stick, and then I'm going to paint the entire squishy white as a base coat. Next, I'm getting my paint ready. I'm going to make 6 pastel rainbow colors: purple, blue, green, yellow, orange, and pink. I'm painting the stripes, and you can't really see it too well on camera. Well, at some points you can. There were little lines like of layers of this cake, so I just painted in those layers the rainbow colors. And I just took a very tiny paintbrush and painted in the layers. Going in rainbow order, obviously. And some of the beginning of this episode was filmed with my old camera setup. I have a better camera setup at the end of this video, but this had been started a while back and I never finished it, and I just decided to finish it. I'm not really sure why the green doesn't look green on here. Once it goes into the later part of the video, it looks better. And I just painted the stripes all the way around the cake. I just made sure to paint in the lines, and I went back and made sure to fix any areas that had been messed up. Okay, now here's where the quality is better, and you can tell that the green is green. So now all I have left to do is paint the frosting white. I thought since the rest of it was so rainbowy that the top frosting part should be more boring. First did a coat of matte white paint, and then later when I did a second coat I decided to use slick paint. Then I painted a coat of white on the bottom. and I decided that the bottom should be more yellowy, like actual cake color. And then here's where I went in with this slick paint coat. And there were a couple air bubble holes on the ends of the frosting drips. I just filled those in with slick paint. Now I am painting the unicorn horn silver, and I'm just using the paint straight out of the tube for that. And I did 2 coats of this. Now what I'm doing is I have these little foam balls, and I'm just holding on to them with tweezers, and I'm cutting them in half, and I'm going to use these as sprinkles. I thought about painting on sprinkles, and then I remembered that I had these, and I've never used these, but I have a whole big thing of them, and I thought this would be perfect. So I'm just taking a tiny little dot of white paint and just sticking the little half balls on there. And then if it's squished out any paint, I'm just fixing that up with a paintbrush. I did a second coat of the unicorn horn silver. I also did a second coat of the bottom cake layer. And that's how I decorated this squishy. So I really like how this turned out. I think it was really fun and really cute. And I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did like this video, give it a like, give it a thumbs up, and think about subscribing to my channel if you want. And until next time, bye!